Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video I wanted to do some experiment with Daiso's products. Daiso has been my bestie since I was 3 years old. I don't know, when I was growing up in Japan, Daiso was a place that I used to love to go to shop because that's honestly all I could afford. And it was so exciting to me that America got them. And Hawaii recently got Daiso maybe 2 years ago, and you know, obviously I have been going there pretty often, once a week. If you haven't gone to Daiso, you're missing out, to be honest with you. Among the various of great products they have at Daiso, I thought it would be kind of cool to do a little experiment with this product that I found today at Daiso. So this is a 2-in-1 wax sponge. I've been using Daiso's sponge. It's great. Like I could recommend it to anyone if you're looking for like a budget sponge, because you know how like a sponge you're gonna have to change it out here and there, right? So I use like this one and then this one. This is a new sponge I got. I was really interested in what this is about, and this sponge actually has a hard surface, and on the other side is just like a soft sponge. I mean, it's $1.50. What could go wrong, really? Let's see how to use them. Okay, so to use them, it says スポンジに水を含ませよく絞ってから使用してください。乾燥した状態で使用しないでください。傷つく恐れがあるため EVA 面で塗装部分を磨かないでください。Oh, this is not a clay bar. It's for like a rough surface, like your tires. Oh, interesting. It says like for tires or like wheels. I don't know if using it on wheel is a good idea because it's gonna probably scratch it. It says it's gonna scratch it if you use it on the body, so I can't use it on the body. Why did I buy this then? Okay, this video, like, what am I recommending right now? Okay, well, you know, make sure you look at what you're buying. I'm just testing out, okay? Who cares, right? I could only use this for tires apparently. But I feel like it's kind of sort of like a polisher type, so maybe I could use it for like the exhaust too. Maybe, I don't know. But I mean, you know what? Whatever. Let's just go test it out. Alright, so far I wiped it down. I don't see that much significant difference. I don't know. I mean, it kind of worked, but I mean, look at that. There's still leftover spots. Leftover spots. I don't know if it actually worked, to be honest. Okay. Since I'm still waiting for the tires to dry, I'm gonna use the clay bar to do the whole car, because I've never done clay bar in my life on my body, and I don't know, I just never done it, and I feel like, okay, maybe today I'll give it a try. Alright, I just did clay bar here and there. Honestly, it's really hard to tell. Like, I did the door. Kinda shiny, I guess. Kind of. I did the hood. It's pretty shiny. I mean, it feels nice though now. So that's good. Alright, so here's why we made this video. Let's check this out. I don't know, it looks still brown to me. The front actually cleaned up really nicely. So I mean, I guess in a certain extent it works. But if it's like old tire and it's already, you know, build up dirt, I don't think it's gonna come out. On the other side too, yeah, it's really hard to see, but I mean, you can kind of see the line here. It cleaned up on this side, but on that side it didn't. So I don't know. This one also cleaned up nicely. A little bit bad on the bottom, but I'm just gonna tire shine it anyway, so it's all set. Tires are shiny, front and rear. Like I mentioned earlier, didn't do much, to be honest. The tire shine definitely helped though, so yeah. Alright guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of lazy vlog. I just wanted to try the sponge, and I'm looking forward to maybe doing more reviewing Daiso car accessory products and showing you guys what's worth to buy and what's not worth to buy. But again, it's all $1.50. Can't go wrong with it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to follow all my social media. Give it a thumbs up if you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.